So guys, I'm again going to predict theft wars, and as you can know, in my before video, I have joined the Krills gang, and suddenly Krill have told me that our gang has been attacked on by the police, and the police have conquered our gang, so we cannot join the gang. And from the revenge, they have told me you become the prime minister, means I'll become the president of the city from now. But wait, president of the city drives a different car, not like this garbage car. But don't worry, I don't want my Formula Ferrari to be stolen. No, so I'm using this garbage car. Otherwise, my Formula Ferrari will be stolen. And you know, president cars always been stolen. So guys, I'll see you after getting a fresh and a good car. So guys, I have ordered this Lamborghini from the showroom, and I have also bought it a showroom. Sorry, I didn't make that a video over there. Before being the prime minister, I have bought the showroom. So let's talk to the prime minister and ask, shall we become the new president of the city? But wait, where is the gate? Where is the gate? Oh, sorry, guys. What kind of idiot I am? I come to the wrong side. I come to the backyard, not in the front yard. So now let's go to Prime Minister and ask and request him to make us president and go ahead. So this is our new house from now, and the construction is still good. Don't worry, this is a very big and a very large house. We can live over here easily. So now let's talk to the president of the city. Oh wait, not here. Guys, president have told us you are the new president of the city, so good luck you. From today you will get the security, and they have told us that security will come tomorrow, so close your eyes, guys. Till then I request the security. So guys, this is our security, and the security is very tight. See, this is a tank over here, and it's only for us, our security. In this tank there are 3 military soldiers and 2 SWAT soldiers. I am very happy, and with us there will be also a black cat commandos with us to protect us. So now I have told them that I am going to inform the Krill about that, and I am also a racer from now. Easy, no? I am the racer also, I am the president also. 2 in 1. 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Oh, murdered. I think I need to arrest him. So see guys, I have told the cops mean police, to get in his car and take him to the police station. Now the cops are taking him to the police station, and he will got 35 years jail. Now let's talk to Krill and say him the good news. Guys, after the good news, Krill have also told us that the security have they made me chief minister. So is Krill is now a chief minister, and I am the president. So basically, I am going to my home to get that Formula Ferrari of my house, because I like Formula Ferrari. Its speed also awesome. I don't want, I am the chief minister from now, so I'll get the security plus ultimate money. And you know how much ultimate money, billionaire I am. See my money on the top. Formula Ferrari, Formula Ferrari, Formula Ferrari, F1. The speed is OP. Wow. I think I'll be the first YouTuber who become the president of the city. I mean, prime president of the country. I mean, country. No jokes. Okay. Oh no 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 no. I am the president of the city over now, so government have given me the security very tight. I'll see you after calling the second guard or so. Guys, our second security guard have also came. So let's park our Formula Ferrari in the front of here, and there we go. Now our Formula Ferrari is also safe. But wait a second, let me park it over this way. Okay, I think the soldier have. I think my military soldier or SWAT soldier is driving it. Okay, I think the drivers are crazy. They broke a tree too. The drivers are crazy. Oh no, evening. Don't worry, I'm the president. I have security. If the night monster will come, my security will beat him tightly. Now it's looking like not that the president is over here. But wait, let me do day first. So guys, I did in the morning. Now I think I need to park it not like this way, the opposite way. And whoever will steal my car, no, not 5 star, not 6 star, directly 20 lakh police, 20 lakh police means Black Cat Commandos also chased him. Now I am, but it's under construction now, this White House. But don't worry, it's my house only. And my security is very tight, so nobody can come into my house. And if gang will come, no, these two tankers will not leave that guy. Will not leave that guy who will attack me. This is my security. How much awesome look it's coming, no? These two. But you are thinking, why are no guards with me? So guys, in UTF Force we cannot import guards, but we can import the tank security. So I have import tank security, and it is for free. I am not a celebrity in this game. Celebrity have to pay in this game, and I am not a celebrity. I am the prime minister, and I am the president, and president doesn't need to pay the fees to a light bill or pay not to fees to the security. So I am rich now, rich, and I have private jet also. The blue one jet. That's very awesome. Two private helicopters. 3 jets, one aircraft carrier, the second that cargo plane, and third my blue color favorite jet. Now that, and I have total $1 billion in my bank account. So guys, that was not for this video, not. And I'm thinking to upgrade the city very more, and I have the whole city into my control. So anybody will try to kill me, my security will not leave him. See now how much tight security I am. Now I'm not feeling very secure. I see you after after being very secure. So guys, I import very much security, but suddenly my game saved. Now I have to park my Formula and save the game. Otherwise my Formula will be not in my garage, and I don't want that, or else my 1000 rupees will be waste. And I'm so happy and lucky that I got the security of the main continent. But you are thinking I will be in my house. You were wrong, guys. I will be my White House only. I see you after reaching the. I will show you. You will see once you will see my security. No, you will see that I am the most secure person in this game. Let me go. But I have transport some security to Krill also, because Krill is a chief minister. I have sent 2 Black Cat Commandos and 3 police officers to his security, because he also needs security. No, otherwise who will control that city? Yes, Krill is the chief minister of that city. Let me show you. Krill is the chief minister of this city. Krill is the chief minister. You can see my security, my security, my security. Three tanks in my control, in my control. I see you after being a lot of secure. Guys, I cannot be secure because my all of security. I have only tanks in my control. Three of them went to Krill to protect him, and three of them is with me only to protect me. So now let's go to this. Okay. Now it's looking like a president is over here. What a cool look. Now let's go to our new home, my new home. Oh, the cupboard is nice. And being a prime minister president, they have given me all of the weapons. Just kidding, I already have all of the weapons in this game, so I don't need to worry about the weapons. Or else they also, I have given some soldiers M416, somebody minigun, somebody RPG, and lots of. And see one thing, wow, it's looking cool, no? So now let's get out of this tank. The tank is looking awesome. Three tanks in my under control into my protection. Let's do the this will be my best day ever in this game, because from this day I am the president of the city, and I also did some developments. I have upgraded the park of the children so children can play a nice, and I have also upgraded the security of the bank so nobody can rob her. Hey, meet the new prime minister. Would you like to be selfie? You will be the luckiest person who will selfie with Ted. Would you like to take autograph with me? Guys, I have given him my autograph because I am the president, and I am famous all too, so nobody can hurt me now. I am the president of the city, prime minister of the president of the city, not prime minister, president. In my home, there is Formula Ferrari. In your then Krill also have three Bugattis, five Lamborghinis, and I think I'll be the luckiest person. 1, 2, 3 tanks. 1, 2, 3 tanks. The tanks are looking nice from this view. Because thanks Nona that I am the president of the city, so they need to give me the best protection ever. And you can and I'm thinking to place a guard with a minigun over here, a guard with a minigun over here also, and there we go. Why this construction is still going? Don't worry, president can easily go when this construction will be over. No, that will be very beautiful. This will look. What kind of these tanks are? Oh, okay, and guys, I see you after doing the counter strike of the terrorist and the gang. Guys, Black Cat Commandos are with me, with my security at my home, and here also in my tanks, and in the end military soldiers have gone to kill the terrorist and tanks, but this is FIB. I hope, but this is FIB now, because FIB police is more better than very much police. Now in India, now in this Dude Theft Force city also have the FIB, like the UK, or you can say America. This is also America, because America only has a White House. Hey, give me okay, we can go with over this. And see, police helicopters are also going from downside, so anybody cannot do air attack too. I am very happy to be the president of the city. So guys, here for this video, make sure you guys like if and smash the like button and subscribe for this video. If you also want to be a if you also want to be a prime minister, like president of the beautiful city like me, subscribe if you are pro, like, and if you are hacker, comment. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, good